So this video is going to show how you can create a summary using Boomi AI. So for this example, I'm going to be using this test process, which is just a JSON to multi-part form data process. So if I wanted to make a summary of this, I'll make a new tab. I would go to Boomi AI icon, which is right up here. Click it, and it'll open up a new screen. Take a second to load. So it opens up this new screen. All right, and this is Boomi AI. So if I want to do a summary of this process, what I'll do is I'll copy the URL. When you copy the URL, make sure the process you want to use for this is the only tab that's currently open. And if I go back to the Boomi AI and hit this plus icon, we can put the process URL here and hit add. It may take a couple of seconds, but then I'll add it down here. You can see it. And then I'll tell it I want it to summarize it. And to do that, just type in summarize here and hit go. And it may take a second, but it should write out a summary of what this process does. And as you can see, it writes out a quick summary of what the process does that you can use for however you want. And if we go back here, alternative way to do that is you can say summarize and then use a hashtag and then type in the process name or the start of the process name, and it will list out the processes on your account, and you just pick the one you want to use, and it'll do the exact same thing as if you use the link and the plus icon.